the pure joy of biting into something that you know is made with real butter, real eggs, real sugar, buttermilk, Madagascar vanilla, French imported cocoa, all those beautiful elements. That's also the why behind what really brings delight and joy to each customer. You're at My Delight Cupcakery. We're Ontario's one and only exclusive made from scratch cupcake shop. Hi, how can I help you?
Can I do one of the doggy cupcakes?
Yes. It took a lot to get in here, and a lot of that was family. Mama!
She started up baking as soon as she was old enough to put a stool down and see over the edge of the counter. I baked a lot when she was younger, and then as soon as she could, she took over our little kitchen.
And family has been a part of the business from when we opened until now.
That's how we ended up here.
When you open a box of a dozen cupcakes and you see those flavor varieties, you see the colors and the different decorations on there, it's fun. If they're vegan, hey, we got vegan stuff that tastes just like the real deal. We have gluten-free items, we have stuff for the dogs that are pet-friendly, chocolate lovers, fruit lovers. You really can customize a box that would be fun for anybody to enjoy at any type of gathering. And it's just the right size. You know, you take that bite, you get frosting and cake in one bite. You don't need like cutlery to enjoy it. It's just chomp into it and enjoy. Story that we want to tell to our community is that there's a lot more behind just the cupcakes. It's just the philosophy of we feel in serving others well, bringing delight to each other, bringing delight to a community. That's really family.
Right. I think so too.
My Delight is proud to be made in Ontario.